Welcome to all my fellow tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of programming with one of the most powerful and versatile languages out there, C++. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer looking to expand your skills, this series is for you. This will be the first video in a series of videos I'm making on how to learn C++. And if you're following this as it comes out, you'll be able to follow the course with everyone else live in real time as I release videos from week to week. So excited for you guys to join me on this journey. Let's get started. So to start off, who am I? Why should you take this course from me? Why should you listen to what I'm saying? So let's get into that. My name is Tariq Brown, and currently I'm a software engineer at Microsoft, and I just happen to work on the C/C++ extension for VS Code. So I'm very heavily invested in the C++ language as a whole and believe I can bring a unique perspective to your learning of the programming language. I've received a bachelor's in computer science from the University of Notre Dame. And in terms of my experience, I've interned with Microsoft twice. I've had one Apple internship. I've done a computer science summer institute at Google. And so far, I have about 1 year of industry experience. So when it comes to software engineering, I believe I have enough authority to at least walk you through the basics of C++. So that's a little bit of who I am. Let's get into it. C++ is a high-level programming language that has left an indelible mark on the software industry, and it's widely used for creating a wide range of applications, including operating systems, browsers, games, and much more. And did you know that C++ is actually an extension of the C programming language? It builds upon the solid foundation of C while introducing powerful features like object-oriented programming, templates, exceptions. These allow additional things that developers can use to write more modular and official code. Object-oriented programming, one of the key features of C++, enables developers to structure their code around objects that represent real-world entities. This approach promotes code reusability and makes it easier to manage complex software projects. Now, something that's really important to make C++ stand out is its performance, portability, and flexibility. C++ is known for its blazing fast execution speed and its ability to harness the full power of modern hardware. This makes it an excellent choice when you're developing platforms that require high performance. Moreover, C++ allows developers to write code that can seamlessly be executed on different platforms, be it desktop, mobile, or web. And this flexibility is super, super important when using the language. And C++ is not just limited to applications and platforms. It's extensively used in developing system software such as device drivers and operating systems, things that you don't really notice on your computer, possibly programmed in C++. This makes it a fundamental language for those interested in low-level programming and delving into the inner workings of computers. From running software on your smartphone to the programs powering the internet, C++ is at the core of countless technologies we rely on every day. Now, have you ever wondered what powers some of the most popular games in the world? Well, it's no secret that C++ is the go-to language for game developers. Games like World of Warcraft, Dota 2, and League of Legends are just a few examples of massive titles programmed in C++. One of the primary reasons C++ is popular in game development is its high performance and ability to handle complex tasks. When you're playing a game, you want it to be responsive, visually stunning, and free from lag or stutter. C++ allows developers to optimize their code to achieve just that. C++ enables the creation of visually stunning games with complex gameplay mechanics, whether it's realistic physics in a racing game, or intricate artificial intelligence in a strategy game, or a seamless multiplayer experience. C++ empowers developers to bring their creative visions to life. The versatility of C++ is truly impressive, and video games is just one area in which this shines. Now, why should you learn C++? On top of being a powerful programming language, it's used in many different career fields, such as gaming, finance, and healthcare. And on top of being a high-performing programming language, it also just opens up many different career opportunities. By mastering C++, you're going to become a valuable asset to any organization that you're in. Your ability to tackle complex projects, optimize code, develop efficient solutions, that's going to set you apart. Your C++ skills will open the door. And just the icing on the cake, the potential financial rewards of learning C++. According to available data, the average annual salary for a C++ engineer in the United States ranges from $80,000 to $130,000. That's an impressive paycheck. Being able to make six-figure salaries is amazing, and that's something we should all strive for. Now, let's break down what exactly this series will cover. So we're going to start out learning basic program structure. This will involve basically just running a simple hello world program. Then we're going to go into variables and data types. This will be talking about our common data types like an int, float, char, bool. Then we'll go into input and output. This will be doing things like printing text from the terminal and creating an input into the terminal. Then we're going to go into operators and expressions. This is going to be your arithmetic operators, your relational operators, your logical operators. After that, we'll dig into control flow statements. This will be your if else, switch statements, all of your loops, all of that good stuff. Then we're going to go into functions, how to make a function, what is a function, what are return values and parameters. Arrays and strings, this will be working with arrays, declaring initializing arrays, and manipulating strings. Pointers and references, understanding what pointers are, what are memory addresses, how do they work. After that, we'll dig into some object-oriented programming concepts, things like classes and objects, encapsulation, inheritance, all that good stuff. Then we're going to get into the standard template library, all of the cool little C++ specific features that come with the language. Then we'll talk about error handling and exceptions. We'll go into file input and output. And then lastly, we'll tackle what are some of the best practices and resources to keep you going along your C++ journey. Now, lastly, this wouldn't be a course without homework. Likely, the first homework assignment is pretty easy. You're just going to go in the comment section of this video. You're going to tell me what your name is, where are you from, why are you learning C++, and what are you most excited to learn about in this course. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the next lesson. Peace. Hey everyone, my name is Tariq, and if you like that video, make sure you subscribe for more. And I want to let you know that I have a Patreon. So this is for people who always ask me for career advice. There's just too many of you for me to effectively get to all of you at once. So I've made a Patreon. This will allow you to get one-on-one support from me. So we have a $5 level. This will allow you to get one-on-one chat support, and you can ask me questions about your specific situations. And then we also have a $25 level. This will give you access to exclusive live streams where you'll be able to call in and ask me questions. This will give you access to my email. And this will give you access to resume reviews where I will make a video breaking down your resume, or we'll break down your resume on the exclusive live streams. I also release my podcast episodes a week early on my Patreon. So subscribe. It's a fun time. Peace.